So you're in the process of building out your perfect skincare routine, but you're not sure what you need or what order the product should be applied in? Here's an easy 7-step example for how you should be layering your skincare. First up, cleanser. Kick off your routine by washing your face with a cleanser of your choice. In the morning, we recommend cleansing once with a water-based cleanser, but at night, a double cleanse is the way to go. Next up, toner. Toner should be applied immediately after cleansing while the skin is still damp, so it can really soak into your skin and absorb all of that moisture. After your toner comes your serums. You can apply however many serums as you'd like, layering them in whatever way makes the most sense for the ingredients and your skin. Next, it's time to apply any creams or spot treatments you might have. This is where you'd apply any topical creams or our personal favorite post-blemish recovery cream, Rescue Balm. Then you can follow up with your moisturizer and give your skin some much-needed hydration. Next up, sunscreen. Here's another friendly reminder to incorporate sunscreen into your daily skincare routine because your future skin will thank you. And you can end your skincare routine there with the sunscreen if you like, or as an optional last step, you can spritz on your favorite mist or facial spray and throw on a mighty patch of your choice to treat acne on the go. And that's it. That's what order you should be applying your skincare products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.